Hello, in this video we are going to check out top 5 best drone with obstacle avoidance. We made this list based on my personal opinion that's a result of research for our. We ranked the products based on their quality, specification and all other important facts. We have tried to select them from various price range, so you can easily find the best product for you. You will also find product links in the description. You can check everything about the products through the links. Number 5. Brand name, QGTQL. Model number, KY603. Mini selfie drone equipped with adjustable HD camera, which can broaden your views and record every unforgettable moment in your life. Meanwhile, with advanced FPV real-time transmission tech, you can enjoy real-time images through app for beautiful scenery. With a 3-sided obstacle avoidance sensor, it can automatically sense objects and stay away from objects to prevent unnecessary collisions with your drone. After improving several times, this drone is a versatile drone, can perform stunts like 360-degree flip, high-speed rotation and etc. And you can draw a route on the app screen and the hover drone will fly following the path accordingly. With foldable arms, small size, easy to carry. Number 4. Brand name, BV. Model number, 27. 2.4 GHz technology is used for anti-interference. It can be connected to the app system to take pictures and videos, and transmit images in real time through the mobile phone camera. Use 4K wide-angle camera to provide massive high-definition pictures and videos. When the drone is about to hit an obstacle, the drone will automatically avoid the obstacle to prevent damage to the collision. The 4-rotor fuselage is made of high-strength engineering plastics, which is light and durable. Draw a flight path on the screen, and the drone will fly autonomously along the designated direction. 3 levels of flight speed switch to make flying more interesting. High-quality polymer batteries support reliable battery with 15 minutes of battery life technology, safe use. Number 3. Brand name, WLRC. Model number, KK9 Mini. Foldable arms, small size only 8 cm, easy to carry. 2.4 GHz anti-interference technology. 4 channels for ascent, descent, forward, backward, left flight, right flight and 360-degree roll, Wi-Fi FPV, optical flow, positioning, visual obstacle avoidance. Built-in 4K pixel HD camera. Surprisingly, it can capture stunning pictures and videos from the sky. With Wi-Fi function, it can be connected to application system and take photos, videos, and real-time transmission through mobile phone camera images. With altitude hold mode function, flight is stable. Number 2. Brand name, BV. Model number, S85 Pro. S85 Pro equipped with 4K Ultra HD camera to record every unforgettable moment in life. With advanced FPV real-time transmission tech, you can enjoy real-time images through app for beautiful scenery. 4 channels, can go up, down, forward, backward, fly on the left, fly on the right and 360-degree rolling. Use 4K wide-angle camera to provide a wide range of high-definition pictures and videos. Just one key is all it takes to take off and to land the drone. Keep it simple to control for even beginners. Altitude hold function can maintain the drone at a certain height, which makes it so easy to control and take high-quality footage. 6-axis gyro can fly more stably and is easy to control. Number 1. Brand name, XYRC. Model number, KY907 Pro. Intelligent hovering allows the aircraft to remain stable during the flight. Anti-shake function to avoid blurry aerial photographs. The beginner will start in a second. With the ability of infrared detection of front, left, right and three-way environment, the drone can sense the distance of obstacles, avoiding obstacles when they encounter obstacles, allowing to control more easily. Smart hovering effectively allows the aircraft to keep it steady during the flight. Paint how you want to fly. Click on the desired flight path in the application, the drone immediately follows the waypoint and takes the flight. 360-degree aerial acrobatics with one click. This drone, also with 4K dual camera, has a better perception of light and clarity.